So we have some hands-on videos of the Pixel 9 Pro XL that gives us a real feel for the design and size of the phone when compared to the competition. Plus there's plenty of other interesting information about the phone, including details on its charging speed, battery capacity, and what free stuff you get with it. What's up guys, Sal here. So first up, let's get the obvious out of the way. These are not dummy units, this is the real deal. The videos offer a clean side-by-side comparison of the Pixel 9 Pro XL with the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the current Android king, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So how does it stack up? When compared to the 14 Pro Max, the Pixel 9 Pro XL shares a similar size, but with a key difference. The Pixel ditches the iPhone's sharp corners for a smoother, chamfered design. And when compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it's actually quite a bit smaller. It has a 6.7-inch display, just 0.1 inch smaller than the S24 Ultra, but feels noticeably more compact overall. This might be a sweet spot for those who crave a big screen without a bulky phone. And here's an interesting design tidbit. The Pixel 9 Pro XL has a matte glass back compared to the regular Pixel 9's glossy finish. They flipped the script on the frame too, with the Pro XL rocking a glossy frame and the regular model sporting a matte one. It's a cool contrast that actually looks pretty sharp. All in all, things are looking really good, at least when it comes to the design. Well, maybe except for that huge camera bump. There are also real-life images of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Now this one's a mixed bag. On one hand, the improvements are undeniable. They've drastically reduced the bezel size and the crease is barely there, putting some of the competition to shame. That's a huge leap in just one iteration. However, the camera situation is, well, questionable. The camera bump is almost as thick as the phone itself. The new lens layout doesn't exactly help either. I understand there might be space limitations on a foldable device, but this design choice is a bit weird. Maybe they could have borrowed the camera module from the Pixel 9. Also, we have charging speeds for the entire Pixel 9 lineup. Although these speeds aren't exact, there seems to be a slight bump over their predecessors. Interestingly, Google will also launch a new 45-watt charger along with the phones. But here's the catch. None of the phones appear to support 45-watt charging. But wait, there's more. The NCC report also suggests potential battery downgrades for the Pro XL and the Fold. The regular Pixel 9 on the other hand sees an increase in capacity. And finally, here's some good news. All Pixel 9 models will come with a free year of Gemini Advanced. This is a huge deal. We're talking access to Google's most powerful AI model, usually priced at a whopping $20 a month. That translates to nearly $240 in savings. On top of that, you'll also get the perks of a Google One subscription, including 2 TB of cloud storage, usually $10 a month on its own. Of course, with that being said, check out the Pixel 9 in pink and the new AI features by clicking here, and I'll see you there.